Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester Botany. Paper name is Taxonomy Nomenclature, and today's topic is bamboo in economic botany. Okay, students, before this we were finished some of the economic importance of plants. Today's turn is of bamboo. Okay, what are the economic importance of bamboo? We will see which family this belong, what are those species of bamboo, all those aspects we'll see. So let's start with introduction. Bamboo is one of the most sustainable building materials on the planet and is termed as vegetable steel with the tensile strength of 28,000 per square inch and provide earthquake resistant structures. Students, this is also called as steel of poor people. Okay, even steel of farmers, because similar to steel it provide infrastructure of homes, many furnitures. So because of this importance, bamboo is called as vegetable steel. It also provides earthquake resistant structure and frequently used for the making of house infrastructures. Okay, some of the facts about bamboo. Bamboo contains high level of starch which attract insects without proper treatment. Bamboo has a natural durability of less than 2 years. Okay, the lifespan is 2 years. Species like genus Dendrocalamus and Bambusa have the best properties for structural application. Students, this bamboo belongs to grass family. Now you people reply me in comment box which family is known as grass family. Okay, students, I will wait for your answer. Please reply me. Come to the topic. This bamboo belongs to grass family. Along with bamboo, another species is Dendrocalamus. These two are the most important plants which have best property for structural application. One of the fastest growing plant on the earth is bamboo. Its growth rate ranges from 30 centimeter to 1 meter in 24 hours. Means its growth is very high. Within short period of time it can grow larger, longer. Means at least in 24 hours it can be grown up to 1 meter. Okay, that's why it is the fastest living organism in terms of plants. 1450 species are found in diverse climate across the world. But students, most of the bamboos found in northeast region of India. Remember, in northeast regions of India, most of the bamboos found. Now another question for you people is that what are those states of India which come in east, northeast regions? Students, please reply me in comment box. I will wait for your answer. Okay. Now, some of the advantages of bamboo. What are those advantages? The various advantages of bamboos are mentioned below. They are light, strong, and versatile. They are very light. They don't have much weight, so that it can be used at higher portion of building material, construction of buildings, for making pipes, for making, for climbing, all those purposes. They are also strong and versatile. They are environmentally friendly. They are environment friendly. They are accessible to the poor. They are very cheap, so poor people can also access. They are self renewing resource. There is vegetative reproduction, so they can be grown from one place to other place with the branches. They are very fast growing, highly productive, and earthquake resistant. Students, these are the uses of bamboo, where bamboo can be used in building and construction. They are the primary choice of construction. They small scale and cottage industries used for handicraft and other products. They can be used new generation products as wood substitute. They can be used in industries. They can be used in transportation, truck bodies, railway carriers. They can be also used as a board and furniture. Students, you will be surprised that in northeast region, bamboos used for the purpose of transporting water in the field as a pipe. They can be used as a pipe and used to transport, to carry water from one field to other field, even for long distance, because of their polar nature. They are polar, means their stem is empty, so it can be used as a pipe, water filling pipe. Okay. This is the list of uses along with the percentage consumption. We can see here highest consumption of bamboo used as a paper pulp, that is 35%. Bamboo can be used for the making of paper. In housing, 20% used, non residual residential 5%, rural use 20%, as a fuel 8%, packing and baskets 5%, in transport 1.5, furniture 1%, other wood industries 1%, including ladders 3%. So we can see here how much bamboo is important for human being. So many uses are there. Now, some of the species of bamboo which are found in India as well as other countries. Bamboo is a group of woody perennial grasses, as I have already explained. In the family of Poaceae, which is a larger family with over 10,000 species. Bamboo species can be divided into climber and runners. There are 7 species of bamboo: Bambusa balcova, Bambusa bombos, Bambusa Nutens, Bambusa tulda, Dendrocalmus giganteus, Dendrocalmus strictus, Melocanna bambusites. Out of these seven species, Bambusa bombus is the most important and most common species of bamboo. Okay, now most suited species is Bambusa bombos, which is bright, shiny, green when fresh, yellow with age. Hmm. Whereas Dendrocalmus is pale blue, green when fresh, dull green to yellow with age. These are some parameters with differences. So students, in this way we have seen about bamboo, what are the application, what are the benefit, what is the family, botanical name, all those aspects we have seen. So students, today we have finished bamboo. On next turn we will meet with new topic. Thank you very much.